Well, I'm going to harvest potatoes. Never done it before. Patricia reckons there's 50, and I reckon there's 75. And the one that's closest gets to take the other one to the hotel for drinks. 3. Nice. But what have we here? 4.
I don't think you need to count the whole however many.
5, 6, 7. How deep do they go down?
Right down to the bottom.
They don't.
They did.
Oh, they bloody do. 7. Oh, another one. They're small though.
There should be bigger ones at the bottom, maybe.
Well, oh yeah, there's more here. Wow. That's a decent one. That's a piece of sand.
This end, though, where you're going now, is where we've taken the 2 previous feeds from.
Wow, mama! Check him out. Look at that. It's as big as my hand. Maybe we should have had him a bit longer. Look at him.
Mm.
But the potatoes, I don't care what anybody
Oh, that's
says.
it.
Wow, that's a good one. Another one.
Mm.
Another one. And another one. Sorry, baby, I think your 50's looking really sick.
It is, I think.
So I'll get the shovel in here later, so I have to empty it out anyway.
Mm.
Quite compact in here though. Wow. Wow,
See,
real potatoes.
yeah, see, these ones have been in, because it was that front piece where we were taking all the others from.
Yeah. Wow. Wow.
Looking good.
Looking good. And these are the potatoes from one bed. We'll still dig it over and see if there's more in there. And there's Patricia going for it now. The second bed. Still finding them. Some big ones, some teeny weeny ones. And that was from one plant.
This is the second plant.
From our second bed. Massive amounts. Only problem, there's a lot of small ones in there. A lot of small ones. And the reason being, the first lot, which we got bigger potatoes from, I covered over a little bit. I was sceptical about covering them over. And I didn't cover these over at all. So, yeah. But there's well over 200 potatoes here. I'm gonna open the fish and chip shop.